In this video, I'm going to be creating a traffic light layer in OceansMap that contains multiple rules. So to start, we can create a traffic light layer. We'll just leave it as the defaults here, and we'll add our first rule. So we'll use wave height in the Chesapeake, and we'll save that. So now we have this spatial traffic light layer that shows areas in green that have a wave height below 1, yellow between 1 and 2 meters, and red above 2 meters. What we can do is we can add a second rule here to this layer. So if I go ahead and select wave period in the Chesapeake as well, and set this to 2 and 5 seconds and save this. Set that to 3 and 7. Yeah, now we have more green. So what we're looking at here, and now we have multiple rules. So the green section are areas that have wave height below 1 and a wave period below 3 seconds. The yellow areas have at least a wave height between 1 and 2 meters, or a wave period between 3 and 7 seconds. And then red is anywhere with either a wave period above 7 seconds or a wave height above 2 meters. And in order to see which rule is driving a specific color, the user can hover over an area and it shows the exact wave height and wave period there using the hover tooltip tool. Now, these rules apply when this AND operator is selected. The user can also use the OR operator and save that. So what that means now is, instead of both rules needing to be true, it's either or rule is now true, and that's why the color is displayed on the map. The color is changed on the map. The user can also switch the red and the green so that anything below 1 meter now shows as red, and anything above 2 meters now shows as green, and vice versa. They could do that for wave period. And then if the user wants to delete that rule that they made, they can use that delete button. We can save that, and now we see that inverted traffic light here showing wave height